The Three Little Pigs. Once upon a time, there lived three little pigs. One day, each pig decided to build a house to keep safe from the big bad wolf. You see, the wolf loved to eat little pigs. The first pig built a cozy house of straw, but the big bad wolf huffed and puffed and blew the house down. Quick as a wink, the first little pig ran away before he became breakfast. The second little pig built a cozy house of sticks, but the big bad wolf huffed and puffed and blew the house down. Quick as a wink, the second little pig ran away before he became lunch. The third little pig built a cozy house of bricks. He invited the two other pigs to live with him. The big bad wolf huffed and puffed and huffed and puffed, but he just could not blow the brick house down. "I'm coming down the chimney to eat you for dinner," said the wolf. "Please do," said the pig sweetly. You see, they had put a pot of very hot stew at the bottom of the chimney. When the wolf came down the chimney, he landed right in the pot. "Ouch! Ouch! Ouch!" he yelled. Then, quick as a wink, he dashed out the door and ran far, far away. After that, the three little pigs lived safe and sound in their cozy house of bricks, and the big bad wolf never bothered them again. The end.